Hello tubes. This is going to be part one of I don't know how many of organize the garage, so I can have my lawnmower equipment and stuff here and tools, and yet get my new truck in the garage. So in order to achieve that, we need to clear all this out and install some cabinets on the wall, a fold-out workbench, and I was going to try to do a time-lapse on this and record it, and so you can see what it takes. This is going to be probably a several day thing. So tubes, I'm about to charge up my phone now. I'm gonna set this up to be time lapsed. So far, I've rearranged some stuff over here to get that out. I might give that away or move it to the basement. And amazingly, all this stuff fit in it. So next thing is I gotta take out all my lawnmower parts and stuff over there. Then I can bring my cabinets upstairs from downstairs. I'm going to now set this up for time lapse so you can see it as I'm doing it. Hey tubes, this is looking better. I hadn't cleaned this out in 16 years or so. I was thinking about painting this wall, and my wife says nah. So now I've got a blank slate. I will gonna clean up the floor here eventually when I'm done, is power wash it. Now I got a blank slate. Now I got to mark on the wall where the studs are and bring up my cabinets. Now this is one of the cabinets that's going to go on the wall. These, I believe, are meant to stay on the floor because there's no support here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a piece of wood to screw it to this or nail it to it to give it something, and on the bottom to give it something that I can use to mount it to the wall. And same for this one. So I'm going to be putting these in this space. It's the same length as this worktop, this bench top. And then I'll have a little room here on the corner for stuff. Now, these cabinets were given to me from a coworker of my wife's many years ago, at least 15 to maybe 17 years ago. Now they've been in my basement. Been just using it just on the floor. Now the thing is, these look like that they are not intended to go on the wall. How I can't screw it in here, so what the cabinet should have is a strip that screws into the cabinet from here to here, just a strip of wood, like a 1x3, and another one at the bottom. Same for the other one. That's how some cabinets have got mounted on the wall in the basement look like. So I'm gonna go and to the hardware store and get some wood. Hello tubes. Well, I missed some of this because there was too much cursing, but I modified these cabinets so I could hang them on the wall. I put these 1x3 strips in the back, nailed, glued with wood glue, back to the back of this, and I measured out and put, these are cabinet fasteners for inside interior. And then to help me level it, I did level out with this 2x4 and had my son help me hold it while I got it up on the wall. Now for that one. I'll give you an idea what I did to get these up there. These I put these 1x3 strips to the back of them, and they're nailed and glued top and bottom, so I can then mount them to the wall so I can get my truck in. I didn't want to go out and purchase a whole set, a whole garage, set where you get a whole wall and you put up. That I don't have $1,600 to do that. I just purchased a new truck, so I'm gonna call it a night of where I've gotten so far with my garage organization project. One casualty. Apparently something hit my pressure washer and broke this plastic piece. I'm sure I can just buy that piece somewhere. I'll pick this up when I next do this. I just needed to be able to get my other car in the garage here. So, signing off.